In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude an external drive from being backed up by Dropbox Backup. Now, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open the Dropbox desktop app on your computer. The easiest way to do this is by clicking on the Dropbox icon, which you can usually find in your system tray on Windows or the menu bar on a Mac. Once you've got Dropbox open and running, look for the Preferences option. When you click on Preferences, you'll see a variety of settings available. You'll want to navigate specifically to the Backups tab, as this is where you'll manage all your device backups, including any backups of external drives. Under the Backups tab, you should be able to spot a list of your device backups. This list will showcase both your computer's backup details and any external drive backups that have already been set up. Now, if there's a particular external drive you're keen on excluding from this backup process, here's what you need to do next. Find the entry for that specific drive in the list. Once you've identified the correct backup entry, click on it. This action will present you with the option to either delete the backup or stop backing up that external drive altogether. Selecting this option will effectively turn off that backup and exclude the drive from being part of Dropbox's backup routine. For some of you, constantly getting prompted to back up new external drives might be a bit annoying. If you find yourself frequently connecting external drives and would prefer not to be asked every time whether you'd like to back them up, there's something you can do about it. Still within that same Backups tab, you might find a setting similar to Show Setup Notifications when new external drives are plugged in. This option, when enabled, is what triggers those prompts you see each time you connect a new drive. To avoid them, simply uncheck this option, and there you have it, a straightforward way to manage the drives that get backed up with Dropbox, as well as a quick tip for minimizing interruptions. It's always good to have a bit of control over what gets backed up, particularly when managing multiple files and drives, so hopefully these steps give you exactly that. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. See you in the next video.